Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 9-foot golf putting green. I mean, it's actually not a green, but it's kind of like a rolling mat that it could be really good for your home office, for your own office or gaming cave, or just like a man cave, or just your basement, things like that. I wouldn't put this one outdoors. You can put it outdoors if you want. You can practice outdoors, but I would leave it outdoors because with the rain and the weather and all that, kind of like it can go to waste a little bit if you don't take care of it. So I would use it indoors. But the thing about this one is rollable, so it comes kind of like with this carpet that you can roll and make it to be the 9-foot long. And also comes with this one right here, is you can actually use it to put up the tees and kind of like correct your swing, and just use it for kind of like aligning your swing or your putting game, actually not your swing. And you can actually use this one to put up the ball as well. The other good thing about this one is that it comes with 2 different holes, one that is more challenging than the other one. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds. And also the ball is going to be kind of like it will auto retrieve to yourself, because once it gets in this place, it comes kind of like with a slope, so it gets in this rail and go back to you. And it comes with 2 extra balls for you to play with your own balls for sure, but it comes with 2 extra balls. So let's take a closer look and make some putts. So in here you can see the length, as I was telling you before. It comes with a 9-foot. Here's where your balls is gonna be placed for you to just grab them and play from this position or whatever position you want. And you can see the 2 holes in there, the more challenging one, this one, the small one, that I think is like 2.5 inches, and the other one is 3.5 inches. And the ball is gonna be retrieving by itself and coming with this rail over here to that position that I showed you before. So I'm in the 8-foot mark over here. I missed that one. And this is my own pad, and you can see that the ball retrieved by itself. And that's the other one that was too fast. So let's try it one more time. I got it on the big one, and then the ball retrieves itself. Let's try it on the small one. There we go, baby. So I think this one could be a really good one to practice your putting game indoors, in your office, in your man cave, in your basement, in your kitchen, your bathroom, whatever you want, your garage as well. You can actually do it and just practice your putting game with these two challenging holes, and the ball will retrieve to itself, and then you can just roll it away, like roll it down one more time and put it kind of like in storage mode. If you need it, just like put it away. I think this could be really good, fun as well, and of course it's gonna get you to your A game in your putting game. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.